Hi, I am Chef Jill. Welcome to the Teaching Kitchen. Today we are going to make s'more squares. For starters, you will need 3½ quarts of golden grams, 3 ounces of butter, 3/4 cups of chocolate chips. Should we be sure to reserve some for later for garnish? And 3½ cups of marshmallows. We'll do the same. We'll reserve about ½ a cup for later. Also some vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. First, we're going to be melting our butter, our chocolate chips, and the marshmallows. Stick those in the microwave, and we're going to be microwaving them for about a minute, but break it up in 30-second intervals. Not melted yet. Okay, so you can see some of your marshmallows are starting to melt. But it's not done yet, so we'll keep going. Everything is just about coming together. Our chocolate is melted, our marshmallows are melted. Just waiting for that butter to really melt down. So, probably go in for another 20 seconds. Now that it's all melted together, getting smooth and melty, we are going to add our vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon. Give it a nice mix. Then our golden grams. Make sure you get all your grams nice and coated. Okay. Once you have them all nice and coated, be sure to spray your pan because they are sticky. This little layer. Okay. Just dump on your pan. Be sure to scrape that bowl. That's where all the goodness is. Spread it out. Form a nice single layer. When your reserves come in, just coat the top with your extra chocolate chips, your reserved marshmallows. Okay? Then you'll put this in the fridge, let it cool and set for about 45 minutes. Should be good. And at the end, it should look like this.